Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Tonight we are making a fruit bowl fish out of a watermelon because we have a birthday in the family. Our little niece Sofia is turning 4. Happy birthday, Sofia. Jason's sister was showing us all these cool pictures of the things that she wanted to make for the birthday party. And we said, "Can we do the fish?" And she said yes. So here we go. This is the before. We have a watermelon, and I want to fit it into this container. I just think it'll be a lot easier for taking it to her house. It can also be used as the platter when we get there. No fruit juices getting all over the place. So that's what Jason's going to do for us here. He is going to cut it, and he's going to make it fit in that container. And then I can go ahead and make some watermelon balls. And still doesn't fit. Taking out some more. We are pretty excited for this moment. Yes, success, it fits. Yay! Cheers! And now the fun begins. We get to put the mouth in. Now, in doing this, you really should only make 2 cuts because you're going to need the green of that watermelon to make 2 fins for the back and 2 fins for the side. So Jason's going to try and do just 2 cuts for the mouth. It's really looking like a fish already. For Friday night, a lot of fun right here. Time to make some watermelon balls. Now you want to take a nice sharp knife, remove the rest of the watermelon, and go right up to the white rind. So it looks like lips of the fish. We did have quite a bit of watermelon left over, so Jason and I just went ahead and put that in the refrigerator and ate it ourselves. I do think it's a good idea to scrape as much of the innards out as possible so it has a time to drain before you fill it. And a little cleanup is always good because it became a sticky mess. So wiped everything down with a little water and oopsie, almost dropped the watermelon. So here we're just trying to cut off as much as we can so we can make fins. We need 2 for the tail fins, 1 on each side of the fish, which we just use toothpicks to stick it into the fish. This is where the fun really began because it really already started looking like a fish, and we knew we had to make the tail fins and the little stripes on each of them to make them look like fins. And we're going to be making gills on the fish. Just a fun Friday night thing to do to help out Jason's sister with getting ready for the party. And while we're doing this, she's making little hermit crabs out of strawberries. And she's making crabs out of peppers to go over hummus. All I did is make a pattern on each side with a small little bowl to get a round circle to make the eyes. And then Jason cut away all the skin. Wait till you see this. This is great. Ta-da! And it's looking even more like a fish. A few more little cuts to give it some scales and some gills. We put it all together to see what it would look like with all the fins on it. We had to take the fins out to actually take it to his sister's house, but we just put them back in when we were getting ready to serve it on the table. But there it is, a fish. It was a watermelon, and now it's a fish. What a great idea. Let's get it filled up. Jason's sister created this whole wonderful underwater adventure sitting on the table for her daughter Sofia on her 4th birthday. All of these were found on Pinterest by her. Great little ideas. They're little hermit crabs made out of strawberries. And this whole little world on a platter, all underwater. The carrots and the broccoli and the cauliflower. I mean, great ideas right there. And then the crab sitting on hummus. Perfect. Different cheeses, different crackers. Happy birthday, Sofia.